Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear community members. We're happy to be talking to you again. For those of us who are celebrating Easter today, wish you all a very happy Easter, and hopefully you're having a wonderful Easter with your families at home. With reference to COVID-19 situation in New York, I believe that there has been some improvement in the situation in the last 2 days, and hopefully we are moving towards a better situation in the coming days. So my appeal to all of our community members would be to continue to follow the guidelines that have been issued by the governments, so that all of us can stay happy and safe during this very difficult situation. Also, through the message, I want to again tell you and reach out to you and tell you that the Consul General of Pakistan in New York continues to offer consular services. इस कोविड-19 की सिचुएशन के दौरान हमने एक बहुत अहम फीचर ऐड किया है और एक अहम कदम जो उठाया है वो ये है कि we now have a 24/7 emergency helpline available at the consulate. So अगर हमारे किसी भी community member को किसी assistance की facilitation की ज़रूरत है तो आप हमें उस नंबर के ऊपर reach out कर सकते हैं. इंशाल्लाह we will help you and we will reach out to you. इसके अलावा all our services continue to be available to you online. हमारे stranded Pakistani brothers and sisters who are here because of the flight situation, the Consul General of Pakistan in New York also continues to help them, to reach out to them. We're offering all our facilitation and all our help to all such individuals. Inshallah, we're very hopeful that in the coming days the situation will improve and they will be able to return to Pakistan very soon. For help with regards to stranded Pakistanis in New York and in other states of our consular jurisdiction, our Consul Chima is the focal point. MashaAllah, he's doing an amazing job and can be reached on his cell phone, and the number has been conveyed to you and is also available on our website and on our social media platforms. आपको एक और बहुत अहम चीज़ जो बताना चाह रही हूँ वो ये भी है कि because of the situation created by COVID-19, since we cannot meet each other in person for some time, I will be starting from this week our virtual town halls. Virtual town halls का मकसद ये है कि हमारी आपस की coordination and our coordination with each other can be further strengthened. इन वर्चुअल टाउन हॉल्स के ज़रिए हम अपनी कम्युनिटी के तमाम जो सेगमेंट्स हैं उनको रीच आउट करेंगे. इंडिविजुअली तो हमारी आपके साथ एक कोऑर्डिनेशन ऑलरेडी मौजूद है. इंडिविजुअली आप सबसे रब्ता फर्दन होता रहता है, बट कम्युनिटी वर्चुअल टाउन हॉल्स के ज़रिए we will be able to reach out to a larger segment of our society. We will be able to talk to our journalists, our community leaders, our young community organizers and others, so that coordination between the Consul General and our community can be further increased and further strengthened. All those community organizations who are stepping out to help their fellow community members and others also deserve all our praise and all our congratulations for their wonderful work. You're doing an amazing job and I'm extremely proud of you. Through this message, I also once again want to offer my condolences and the condolences of the entire team at the consulate to all those members of our community who have lost their loved ones. और हमारी दुआ है कि अल्लाह ताला उनकी मग़फ़िरत फरमाए, and all those families who have been affected, हमारी दुआएं आपके साथ हैं और अल्लाह ताला से दुआ है कि अल्लाह ताला आपको सब्र जमील अता फरमाए. I look forward to staying in touch with all of you and इंशाल्लाह हमारे राब्ते आइंदा दिनों में भी इसी तरह कायम रहेंगे और मज़ीद मजबूत होंगे. Before I sign off, I again want to tell you that the Consul General of Pakistan in New York continues to offer all its cooperation and all its facilitation. Anyone who is in need of anything is requested to kindly reach out to us, and inshallah we will be able to help you. Thank you so much.